Okay, guys, hello. I will be exploding a ship. My ship. The one that I showed you guys in the last video. It hasn't been very long since you guys saw it, but still.
You're gonna make that video?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So, Flint. Can I place TNT? And fire!
The fire started.
Does it explode stuff? Oh! Oh, let's go! It made a hole. Oh, critical damage. And anyone who is watching this, don't worry. This is like a copy of the ship. It was originally produced in the Hunger Games. Like this was a game that I played with my friends. He's right here right now. I played today, and now it's like nothing but like a wasteland. Besides, I won't be exploring the ship a lot though. Pa, 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 pa. And can I ignite this ship? Well, the end of the video, guys. Thank you all for watching. I just exploded the pool. Hey, what's below here? I want to see. Oh. I just destroyed the roof of... Yeah, no, I screwed up. Well, goodbye, guys.